Peace of mind and body. 11. I read a news article a while ago, which I wanted to briefly discuss. It reported on the stricter measures the government was taking in order to combat the spread of the coronavirus. As people have been placed in a lockdown-type scenario, it should remind Muslims of being placed on permanent lockdown, meaning death. The same way people are rushing in order to stockpile their daily necessities, such as food, a Muslim should hasten towards stockpiling the necessities required in order to succeed in both worlds, namely, the obedience of Allah, the Exalted, which involves fulfilling His commands, refraining from His prohibitions, and facing destiny with patience according to the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. This in turn ensures one uses the blessings they have been granted in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted. Muslims should take the opportunity of being on lockdown by gaining and acting on Islamic knowledge, in order to prepare for their permanent lockdown, which will occur soon, at an unknown time. In addition, Muslims should make use of the time they have at home by truly reflecting on their life, actions, and the path they are on. It is vital to understand that the one who assesses and judges their deeds during their life, sincerely for the sake of Allah, the Exalted, will be inspired to improve their character towards Allah, the Exalted, and the creation. This will ensure they behave correctly in this world, by using the blessings they have been granted in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted, thereby obtaining peace of mind, and this self-reflection will ensure they have an easy judgment on the day of resurrection. Chapter 16 and Nahl, verse 97.
Whoever does righteousness, whether male or female, while he is a believer, we will surely cause him to live a good life, and we will surely give them their reward in the hereafter according to the best of what they used to do.
But those who fail to make use of their time by judging themselves will continue in heedlessness and therefore experience a difficult life in this world, as they misuse the blessings they were granted, and they will experience a strict and difficult judgment on the day of resurrection. Chapter 20 Taha, verse 124.
And whoever turns away from my remembrance, indeed he will have a depressed, i.e. difficult life, and we will gather, i.e. raise him on the day of resurrection blind.
Finally, this reflection is unlikely to occur when one worships excessively, especially in a language they do not understand. This reflection only occurs when one studies and acts on the Holy Quran and the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. There is plenty of knowledge available at the click of a button, so Muslims are left with no excuses.